Enjoy these yoga postures that you can do once or twice a day in just 2 or 3 minutes to feel refreshed, relieve back pain, and calm the mind. This is great for athletes too, before or after a workout. Start sitting on the heels and take a few slow, deep breaths. Feel your body and get present. Then come onto all fours and arch and round the back. Inhale, arch, and exhale, round. 4 to 6 rounds for cat-cow. You can watch this video as a demo and hold longer. From there, lift the hips into downward facing dog. This will stretch the back and the legs. Hold as long as comfortable. When you come out, bend the knees, walk forward, and then slowly get 2 yoga blocks if you have for 2 postures. You'll need your 2 blocks, but if you don't have blocks, you can get creative. Maybe some books at home or something that's stable. You're going to come down on your back, lift the hips, and place 1 or 2 blocks under your sacrum for bridge pose. That's a back bend to help your posture. Have your feet hip width with toes forward. From there, stretch the legs up if you're comfortable doing an inversion and have no contraindications. This is supported shoulder stand. Close your eyes, meditate on the breath, and hold 2 minutes or so, or maybe just 5 slow breaths to start, and you can build up. That'll help prevent varicose veins, good for the blood pressure, and wonderful for athletes to recover if you're doing a lot of running and cardio and exercise, or even hiking. When you come out of your practice, and again, take your time, this is just a demo, you'll come in a cross-legged seat where you can meditate, or if you don't have time to meditate, just ease back slowly into your day. Enjoy these practices. I've been teaching yoga for companies and all ages and all abilities for over 27 years. So I know this helps. You just have to practice every day. Have a great day. Namaste.